doing, sir?
Good, good.
Good. Working hard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Good. There you go. Alright. Face down, yeah. Oh, good. That's a good thing. Ah. There you go. There you go. See, you look good there. Oh, okay, left shoulder. We're gonna adjust both shoulders, okay? But before that, let's hypervolculus tenderize your back. Just to soften you up, huh? What did you do? What happened?
Nothing, Doc.
Yeah.
Arthritis, I don't know.
You're too young for arthritis.
55?
Yeah, you are. You'll be fine.
Bitin mo lang masasakit.
Are you a side sleeper or a back sleeper?
Tinaya nga ako dito.
Okay.
Kaya ito, tuloy siya sa right side of it.
Okay, we'll adjust both of them, okay?
Pag masakit di ako nahihilot yung side, ng left side.
Yeah. I'll do both. I like adjusting both. Yeah. Yeah. Get you ready for Labor Day weekend, huh? Yeah.
Lunes, Martes, Merkulis.
Yeah.
Sunday, 4 na araw ang walang trabaho.
Oh yeah. That means you're gonna be cooking a lot.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Sunday, I have a visitor,
Oh yeah.
my brother wife.
Okay, alright.
He like, beef burger.
Nice. Nice. Yeah. So, you can do some barbecuing, huh? Some grilling, grill burgers, yeah? Alright.
Dito ko na lang.
Yeah, oh, okay, alright. Good for you guys. This can be nice because it can be a hot weekend, huh?
Uh-huh.
Nice, cool weather.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So you're off the rest of the week, huh?
Uh-huh.
Very nice. Alright, let's adjust, okay?
Uh-huh. Very good.
Let's loosen you up.
Sure,
Even legs, which is good. Yeah. Well, I guess we're keeping the lights on, huh? We can easily turn off the lights. We're gonna push here and pull here, okay? Breathe out. Good. Good. That's how you tuck your chin from here, but nice and easy. Let's adjust the grandma hump, huh? Aye. There we go. Woo. There you go. Very nice. Very nice. Let's adjust here. Let's have you lay on your side. Face the door for me. Very nice. Alright, we're gonna adjust that. And hopefully it will help, huh? We want you to cook. While you're cooking, you're pain free.
Uh-huh.
That's your elbow. There you go. A little bit there. Other side.
Okay, so strong, Doc.
Yeah.
Sakit. Lolo.
Well, you are, huh? Both of us.
Yeah, best, Doc. Wala naman akong ginagawa.
there. Face up for me.
Wala naman kami ginagawa. Hiwalay pa nga kami nagtulog. Bawal.
Yeah, yeah. Right there, right there. Good. Give me gentle. Okay. 'Cause I just want to adjust the upper back. Breathe in and breathe out. There you go. There you go. Wow. You alright? That was good. I like that. Yeah. Come on up. Say hi to your followers there.
Hi.
A lot of them now.
Come up to Dr. Fernandez, really good.
Yeah. Legs down from you. A little bit there. Can I adjust the shoulders? Yeah, all right.
Legs.
Oh, yeah. Let me do this.
Everything, Doc.
Good. There you go. To the other side. Oh, this is the bad one, huh?
That one.
You probably slept wrong on it.
Ay. Ito kasakit.
Good. Sure. You okay? Can I pull this?
Yes, Doc. Lakas ni Dr. natin. Palibag ka talaga eh.
Come on up, bro.
Ay, naku, Doc.
How is that?
Good. You can see the faces.
There you
Hello,
go.
hello.
All right.
Dr. Fernandez.
Our favorite patient,
Thank you.
Senor Francis. We're always happy to have you here.
Ay, tanga walang mata.
Your husband. Yeah, yeah.
Ayun. Asan na? Baliktad. Ayun.
And congratulations to the is it a puppy or a dog?
Papi.
Puppy.
Si Scammy, magta-travel muna siya. Papunta sa bahay.
From Alaska?
No. His name is Alaska.
I know. Where is he coming from?
I don't know where is Hassan, I don't know where is it. Ask to Donald. Oops, sorry.
Good job, buddy.
Welcome to my channel. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, sorry, I'm done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right.
Hi, Dr. Bruce.
Hi, how are you?
It's my favorite doctor too.
Two.
Two. And of course, Belen. Hello, Belen. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, everyone. Hi, just good day. Yan. Okay. Dito na lang po. Maraming pong salamat. Next video. Oh, my writing. She need writing. Signature. Love you all, guys. Like ko sinasabi, pray to God every day, every night, every minute. Bye. See you in next video. Magsa-shoutout po sa next video.